Okay, welcome everyone sa online SEO and GEO Bootcamp plus internship. I'm your main SEO coach. My name is Rene Leandro Padilla.
Good evening, Coach. Good evening, everybody. I'm Cristel Milabio. You can call me Cristel for short. I'm currently working in Cebu.
Ana Garcia, please.
Hi, good evening po, Coach and sa mga classmates. Hi.
Joseph Ventiro, please.
I'm from Pampanga, but born and raised in Manila.
I am May po. Currently working ako sa Global Care.
Hi guys, my name is Len Esterado. Super bago lang when it comes to the industry.
Hello, my name is Shane Dagakay and I'm from Ligan City.
Yes, my name is Jason Mangadap, and
I'm Mike Lowell Abular, but you can call me Mike. And
my name is Girlie and I'm from Pampanga. Kasama ko na.
Good evening. I'm Julius. I'm from Pangasinan. And
good evening po. You can call me Coach Dana or Dana. Anything will do naman po.
Hello po, Coach. I am
Hello.
Mira Maganduga from Marawi City.
I'm Nel from Pampanga. Actually, I lived for 10 years in Davao.
Fenbrick Cortez, please.
former din po ako. Dev din ako, pero
Everyone, good evening. I'm Shella, founder from Valencia, Bukidnon, and currently
Elena Pilaes, please.
Elena and I from Jansan. Currently,
good evening everyone.
Evening.
So my name is Ivy. I'm currently residing in Kidapawan City.
I'm really is Maria Shalem. So good to meet on. Previously in Cebu. Na bago lang nag-move out. And then, diba?
Johara Mina Ara, please.
Good evening, Coach and classmates. I'm born and raised in Cotabato City, but
I'm Marie. I live in Binyan, Laguna.
I'm Kenneth. Sorry for the background. I came from Oriental Mindoro, but I'm working at Mandaluyong.
I am ZG from Kidapawan City, and
everyone, good evening. My name is Christian De La Cruz. You can call me Chan. I'm from Quezon City.